You are probably familiar with the SR-71 Blackbird, the symbol of America's strategic reconnaissance. In over 25 years of service, the SR-71 evaded more than 4,000 anti-aircraft missiles without ever being shot down. This confirmed its position as one of the most powerful reconnaissance aircraft in history. But despite its superior performance, the SR-71 had two major weaknesses. First, a high accident rate. Of the 32 SR-71s built, 12 were lost to accidents, usually during test flights or training rather than combat. Second, huge costs. Each SR-71 cost around $34 to $35 million in the 1960s, equivalent to more than $250 million today. The total program cost several $billion from 1962 to 1998. Each flight hour cost $200,000 to $250,000 in 1990s values. Complicated logistics gradually became less effective and officially retired in 1998. Although Lockheed Martin has not stopped giving up its ambition to develop a new precision supersonic aircraft. By 2022, they stirred curiosity with a promotional campaign involving the Maverick token, a social media post hinting at the need for speed SR-71 legacy. With the concept developed by Skangworld rapidly evolving on screen at the same time, a short video introducing the designer, Dream Studio Canworld, who said, "I am Dream. I work at Canworld, where we imagine the future." Welcome to Global New Military Updates. This is where military developments, global strategy, and modern weapons power are updated with a deep and emotional personal perspective. Each video is a beat of the times, where we analyze and reflect on power, war, and peace in a turbulent world. Ladies and gentlemen, don't take your eyes off the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as well as leave a comment below. Mavericks, the supersonic plane soaring through the sky at Mach 10 speed, making the audience amazed. At first glance, Darkstar seems to be just a product of Hollywood imagination. But clues from Lockheed Martin make us wonder, is Darkstar the shadow of SR-72, the secret hypersonic aircraft project being nurtured? Nicknamed the son of Blackbird, SR-72 is not only the successor to the legendary SR-71, but also a statement of America in the global hypersonic arms race. So what makes the SR-72 so terrifying? And why are rivals like Russia and China rushing to catch up? Such as special refueling, GB-7 in the air with KC aircraft, AB-A5Q further increased the cost. With the development of reconnaissance satellites, SR-71, although not directly mentioning SR-72, these hints have made many people think of the Project Secret, that the company has been public since 2013. The clue, VSR-72, appeared more clearly than before in 1/2018. Draco Banner has the president in charge of advanced development projects at Lockheed Martin. Speaking at the SIDEX Forum, organized by the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics, AIAA, in Florida, he showed an illustration of SRD-72 and discussed it as a remarkable technical achievement. Mr. Bannon shared without digital transformation, the plane you see, Kia, could not be built 5 years ago. We could not make this engine. It would melt into dust. But now, thanks to B&D printing technology, we integrate the system. Cool, complex, right in the engine. Material helps it withstand multiple launches and operate normally. When Bloomberg asks more in September 2017, Aviation Week reports the discovery of a mysterious drone, possibly a small-scale prototype of Astro-72 technology, flying near the U.S. Air Force Plant 42 in Palmdale, California, where Scoundrel is based. After this information was published, Aviation Week contacted or Orlando Kavanaugh, VP of Aviation Operations at Lowe's Martin. He replied, "Although I cannot disclose details, let's just say that Skynet Team 5 at Palmdown is putting all their efforts into speed commitment." This vague assertion does not deny, but rather increases speculation that Lowe's